Hey everybody, Mystic Rick here. So I just wanted to stop in on Christmas Eve to see how everybody's doing. Let me share my screen so you guys can see my charts. Merry Christmas, y'all. Hope everyone has a happy holidays. So here's what I told my Discord and X and also the Top Step VIP Discord, what I was looking at for this week. We had this OPEX week scare, and then I told everybody that, there's good possibility during Thanksgiving when everyone leaves after this scare is going to rally. And sure enough, boom, 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 4 straight days of rally. Same thing on this OPEX. Everyone's like, oh, I'm going to go and take time with the family and hopefully the market gets better when I come back. Well, what happened? Boom, 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 4 straight days of higher. And what happened last time? A lot of sideways grind action where retail complained because, oh, price action sucks. Well, they just missed out on 300 points from here to there. It wasn't as many points from here to there this time, but what is this? More than, it's almost 200 points on this move so far, and we still got Friday. I haven't changed anything on this map. This arrow is just going straight up. I assume that it's going to have a little bit of a pullback, maybe down to this volume node with then a bounce into the New Year's possibly. I assume the 7,050 is going to hit. That's 7,000 XPX. It'll probably hit within, well, this is projected by the end of the new year, but if it doesn't happen by the end of the new year, I think within the first couple of weeks into the new year. And then after that, might be a little bit of chopper net action and down, but we've got a couple gaps down here to fill yet. We had 3 straight days of gap on SPX that hasn't filled from this week, so I'll be waiting on that. If anybody has any questions or has anything they want to add, I'm here to analyze the markets with you guys. I got nothing to do. My family's down in Florida. I'm up in Wisconsin. Hopefully in the future I'll have some money that I can go visit them on Thanksgiving and Christmas, at least Christmas. That'd be nice. I'm usually charting on MES, so I have a lot more support and resistance lines out there that I follow. When I'm zoomed in, I can see them a lot better, obviously. This is on the daily chart. It's looking pretty good for all-time highs within the next couple of weeks, for sure. If not the next couple of days. Look at this zombie grind higher. 2 straight days of zombie grind higher. Look at this, just following the 9 EMA from the morning, from 8:30. Just follow this 9 EMA straight up. That climb right there is only 25 points I just showed though, from 60 to 85. Yesterday we had a similar grind higher. Just a zombie grind higher, following that same EMA. Right here is popping over the 9 and just climbed and just held that 9 pretty much the rest of the day. Yesterday we had a little bit bigger move off of that, 28 to 60, so almost a 30-point move. Is there anything you guys want to look at? I assume you guys want to look at gold. You guys always want to look at gold and silver. Let's see what we got. Let's zoom out. I know gold just made a new all-time high. That was cool. Gold all-time highs. Dang, nice. I called silver for all-time highs back over here. And I think it was like right here on this breakout candle. This is gold, obviously. Let me check out silver. I'll show you guys when I told them. I told him I was going to 69 after I saw this breakout. I drew a fib extension and I was like, oh yeah, that thing's freaking gonna cook. Well, this wasn't the extension I was looking for. Right here, I drew that fib extension. I was like, boom, broke out. I said I was going to go to 69 next, and it only took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more trading days, and it hit it right here, December 22nd. I called that on December 9th. It's in my Discord. You can check it out for free. Just hit me up at SherlockStocks_. I could send you the link over right away. For some reason, they don't like posting links yet. I'm too new to YouTube to allow links in my descriptions. So I have to send you the link through direct message. No problem. Just hit me up, like I said, SherlockStocks_ on Instagram or X. Yeah, silver is just juicing. Look at that thing. Man. All right, back to gold. Silver is way too expensive to trade. I'll do some micro gold here and there, though. On the daily, let's see. Nice to get a retrace, huh? I'm going to see if I can find a way into this, or that's going to be the top there, a little double top. Kind of like what the Russell's done to us numerous times. I think this could be different, though, with gold. It's like silver. You got other countries backing it and pulling out of U.S. equities, so... How far are we along on this fib? So from the top there to there. Here's something I was thinking might happen. Might do a double top, a little bit of up, then come back down in off of the tops, and then maybe shoot up higher after. This is going to take a minute. This might be the high for that. But they're going to need interest rate cuts for this to happen. And this handle came down so far. It was nuts. Back in April. I have a lifetime right here. Shoot, if you could have caught that bottom. 45%. That is within a year. I got 48% in 245 days. Would have been nice. This is probably going to push up to 27, I imagine. There's a nice bounce here and a 382. This continuation just needs to break over that 2580. Once it breaks over that, retouches, that would be the time to buy. Retest and go. Okay, well, looks like there's going to be a nice little pop here soon. Good 11 points here on the way. From one volume profile to the next. Here's the hourly. Got the 21 EMA and the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA with the red, white, and blue. Same over here. 21, 50, 200. Still got 4 express funded accounts. Had these for over 2 years now. I got these back in 2024. So that's pretty cool. In a couple days, this one will be 2 years old. Nice. Wait, check that. Only 1 year old. This one will be just 1 year old. These ones are over 1 year though. This one was October 2024. This one was October 2004. This one was November 2024. This one was December 28th of 2024. Most people can't keep a funded account for more than a week or two. So that's something. It says something about me, my personality, I suppose, that I'm patient, disciplined. I've learned, I've adapted, I've hung in this game for a while. It's more than I can say for a lot of people I know, unfortunately. I tried to hit home runs every day. I used to do that back in the day, like 20 years ago when I used to play penny stocks and stuff. And 0 DDE options were pretty risky, especially when I didn't really have a strategy. I was just following other influencers. That wasn't very good, especially when the influencers were just, I'm not sure. I'm not even sure if they were real traders the more I think about it. They flaunted everything that they had, but never showed any processes, nor really had really good results. And I guess that's probably why I stopped watching them. Started watching other people and actually learned some things. And over time, I learned enough things to figure out, like, hey, I'm actually better than some of these people on TV. I'm not just in and out of trades 100 times. I'll find a trade and hang on to it for a while. The other day, I was in a trade for over 3 hours. There's another guy who I watch in the mornings once in a while. He's very good at that too, and I respect him and his trading style. He likes to pick a bias, watching Bookmap, and finds a good end way in and lets it ride. I've seen him grow, and I need to grow in the same way, but not moving my stop loss. And once I do that, I think I'll be able to upgrade my living status. Maybe I'll get myself a condo. Enough of this rent. I'll have some mortgage payments instead. That would be nice. That would be nice. Somebody can dream, right? Well, hope everybody's having a good Christmas Eve. It's almost 6 p.m. The market's not going to reopen today. It'll open tomorrow on Christmas. Hopefully everybody has a good Christmas, and maybe I'll run an impromptu stream tomorrow. If anybody has any questions or want to learn anything, hit me up. I can explain things more and better on the Discord, Sherlock Stocks and Friends. All right, everybody. Hope everyone has a good Christmas and a happy holidays. Have a good evening. Peace out.